swingful month for the dollar index has come to an end and it has closed the month in red with modest bearishness at the critical support levels at 99. What to expect from the dollar index in the month of June? Can we expect a reversal? Three bigger bearish candles, a modest bearish candle. Look at the trend here. Look at the trend here. Can we expect a massive reversal here? Is dollar gonna get strength, gain strength in the month of June? Or we are looking forward to a breakout move below this channel where it is going to head towards 95 and lower levels? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading the dollar index, associated currencies and commodities? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a long-term forecast. I do share my daily updates for major global markets and commodities. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the monthly charts, and yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the levels, so do watch till the end. First, let's see the monthly charts here. You can find out, see this drop, retracement, the second move has come. Now, if you connect the highs, if you connect the lows, almost it is parallel and it's a nice sideways formation here. Now, can we consider that the lows are done? See, first we need to see, because see, preceding candle closed at the bottom of the Bollinger Band's, current candle expanded it, and now if you see, it is staying below 98 and then 97. This zone is very critical. You can see a long-term trend line coming also in here, and thus this zone between 98 and 97 is something you should watch out for. A drop below 98 and 97 will confirm that it's a breakout, and then dollar is gonna fall sharp. How low? We can in fact expect it to move towards 95 or 92, but I will say it is too early to conclude, because what I am looking at this nice flag formation, and appears that the lows, the highs and the lows, appears that the second wave on the upside must begin soon. This has been the trend here. Look at the formation here. Every drop offsets with the retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. And hence now it appears that the lows are done. We have also seen the price is consolidating here, though it has failed to break beyond. See, on the upside now, 102, 104 is the most critical zone which it needs to breach. If it trades beyond this, you can say now it is a reversal, else it is still struggling here. Very clear. The moving averages have now started to look downwards, but no signs of a crossover yet. The stochastic has come towards an oversold zone, and look at the history. Whenever it falls to an oversold zone, it tries to reverse and get back into the top of it or the overbought zone. Right now, we have to wait for a reversal confirmation on the monthly charts. Look at the MACD here likewise. See the drop, the retracement, again the drop, and it appears a possible reversal cannot be denied. However, right now it is trading bearish. Now, if you look at MACD, it has just crossed over a couple of candles back and it is trading with divergence and bearish. Now, this is the only indicators which confirms that possibly we are going to see few more red candles here. So this is a worry point for me, because see, this confirms that it might give you a breakout on the downside. But RSI is right now placed comfortably here, looking downwards. Let's also have a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, now this is very important. It has crossed over here. The moving averages have crossed over here, and now this zone between 102 and 104 is very critical for the DXY to break past. By if it stays beyond 104, then you can say now this is the reversal. You can look forward to 106, 107 zone. Right now, the divergence here and the slope here is aggressively bearish, suggest more bearishness ahead. Maybe it can try to retrace a little, but it is not yet confirming a reversal. Now, coming to the near term charts, if you see the movement here, drop, moderate retracement, bigger drop, moderate retracement. You can see the candle sizes here very small, and then for one red candle has appeared. Then second thing, it is also given a gap down here. This gap is yet to be filled. There is a possibility that it may try to fill the gap. Then if you see the last candle, see, it is closed at the bottom. It has left a bigger wick on the upside and a smaller tail. And see, after reversal, first red candle, so it appears there could be a second bearish candle. However, when you look at the formation, see, this is how it has been trading. This is a nice retracement channel, and thus I will say till 98 is not taken, till 97 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells here. it is possible that it can form a double bottom before reversing in the month of June. And that is why I say 98, 97 is the zone you should watch out for. This should be respected in any case. If this is taken, we are ready for a greater downtrend here. Right now, it appears that it is going to be difficult because see, when you look at such formation, it indicates that possibly the next forthcoming weeks are going to be something like this, where the prices are going to head all the way towards 100, and if that is taken, then in fact 102 is possible. So let's watch out. The trend it takes in the next week might remain the trend for the next couple of weeks as well. Stochastic plays comfortably. The MACD has seen a sharp dip here. It is trading almost at the bottom, trading with divergence looking downwards. If you look at the move here, drop, retracement, and the drop here, it appears that the bearish move is done and the possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. However, right now it is trading sharply bearish. The RSI is sitting at bottom. Coming to the daily, if you look at the daily charts, this is what we have discussed in our update. See, this is how it has been trading. After the drop, it is under retracement. When you look at the near term, it is another formation here. Thus, very, very important for the DXY to trade beyond 100, 100.2, then 100.6, and then 100.1. Three levels here. If it stays above 100.1, it is a reversal. You can look forward to 102 levels here directly. Possibility exists. Notice after the rise, it is retraced, it is looking upwards, and it is possible that it may continue to trade upwards. Only thing is it has to stay above 100, the critical number here. But when you look at the daily chart, see couple of greener candle, one sharp red candle, and then the candle of consolidation. Now this could also indicate a reversal here. The thing is we have to wait for the next couple of sessions and the resistance at 100 and 100.2. If this is taken, then you can expect 100.5, 100.6, and then 101. Beyond 101, we are looking forward to greater bullish move ahead. If you see the stochastic, this is comfortably placed after the retracement. The MACD is right now on the sell. It has not yet crossed over on the buy side. The RSI is comfortably placed here. On the 4-hour charts, when you look, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence and bearishness. Notice after the drop, retracement drop. So it has started to look upwards. There are critical milestones needed to be breached here on the upside. First at around 99.4, 99.5, this is the first zone, or I'll say 99.4, 99.6, then 100. If these two levels are taken, this is a possible beginning of an uptrend here where the prices might move towards 101, 102 levels, and if that is taken, we are looking forward to a greater rise here in the DXY. Stochastic right now bearish. The MACD is also bearish here, not yet supportive of further upside move, and the RSI placed comfortably. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels here. And yes, before I provide you the levels, see how easily in just under a few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and we have arrived at the levels. And if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The 33rd batch now starts on 11th of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, connect with me for your queries. And those who are looking forward to a broker where you can trade all the diverse instruments from across the globe, the trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charge, easier transactions and easy withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. So now let's talk about the levels to buy. See, you can buy here at 99.18. What you can look forward to the next? I will look forward to 99.4 to 99.6. If this is taken, you can stay bullish for 100, and if 100 is taken, I will look forward to 100.5. Beyond 100.5, the next targets are going to be directly towards 101, and if 101 is taken, stay bullish for 102. Now it is possible that in June, if you see the DXY trading above 102, just stay bullish. Beyond 102, we are looking forward to a greater move here. 103.2 and 104 cannot be denied, though I do not expect such a sharp reversal. The gains here are going to be now slow and steady. That is what I expect, and it appears that even if it tries to reverse, 104 is definitely a critical milestone which it has to break, because beyond this direct landing is towards 106, chances for which appears to be less. But if you see the closing at around 99, and if you see 104, 106, it's a 5% gain. Yes, though I think it is going to be difficult for the DXY to gain such a strength, but yes, nothing is impossible. On the downside, now you have to focus on the downside as well. You have to sell here at 98.78 levels, below which you can expect 98.6, 98.4, and then I will look forward to 98.07. If this is taken, stay short for 97.75, and if that is taken, then 97.48. Below 97.48, 97.2, and then 97. Now see this complete zone, you can see how many resistances are available here in this zone, and thus till 97 I will not treat the DXY as bearish. Till 97 the possibility of a reversal will be high. Below 97 is where you can say now this is the time for a greater correction towards 95, and then in the near future 92. I do not expect this to happen, but yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading month ahead, a profitable week, and a happy weekend. Thank you.